And therefore, I had hoped also, Honorable Speaker, that you would, in your ruling, communicate that you recognize Jubilee Party as a distinct parliamentary political party, which they qualify understanding Order 20A1, Honorable Speaker, because they have already achieved that threshold. But as hurt as I am, as nostalgic as I am about Jubilee, my former party, Honorable Speaker, I want to agree with you that we also give Jubilee, our old party, time to resolve their leadership issues.
I've also given them 30 days.
The 30 days, and ask our colleagues in ODM, just be as gracious as we have been, be as gracious as the party leader in Jubilee, Honorable Sabina Chege, has been, to wait for that 30 days period to resolve the issues in Jubilee. I pray and hope that even within the Azimio coalition, you will be able to resolve the issues that are within your coalition, so that we engage here as leaders who can engage on the basis of the policies that we espouse for those of us who are in government, and you in the opposition or in the minority on the basis of the alternative policies that you espouse, that you will sell to the people of Kenya as a better alternative, and that we can only do when we engage in this house. And engage, again, Honorable Speaker, I say, without being too emotional, without being insultive even to the person of the Speaker, Honorable Speaker. And Honorable Speaker, I do want to give notice that I will be moving a motion when we resume to name the Honorable member for Atandi, Samuel Atandi, over what happened yesterday, Honorable Speaker. Because, Honorable Speaker, just as I was raising the issue of Babu Owino, we ought to be a house where we conduct business with decorum. And on occasion, Honorable Speaker, myself and Honorable Pukose will point to issues where we are going out of order, Honorable Speaker. And I must thank even the Honorable Otiende Amolo. I've seen him being very keen when he sees the Honorable Didmas Barasa not dressed properly. He raises those issues because that is how we protect the dignity of this house. But when we start shouting at the Speaker, when we start calling the Speaker unpalatable names from where we are sitting, simply because we are on Hansard, we are not on Hansard, when the Honorable Babu Owino starts shouting there that he is not my girlfriend, and honestly, Honorable Speaker, I cannot be admiring a man under any circumstances. And even if I was to admire anybody, not the likes of Babu Owino. There are enough women in this country to admire. I cannot be in the business of admiring men. Therefore, Honorable Speaker, I want to urge all our colleagues, let us, I take this ruling, Honorable Speaker, with some heart, Honorable Speaker. But I do agree with you. You have no business as the Speaker of the House in micromanaging any political party, be it Jubilee, be it Azimio, be it UDA, where I belong to, or even your former party, Ford Kenya. The moment you resigned as a party leader of Ford Kenya, the members of Ford Kenya who sit in the Kenya Kwanza coalition, you cannot, as Speaker now, micromanage those speakers. And I want to agree, Honorable Speaker, that it is within your rights to allow our colleagues within the minority to put their house in order. And I want to wish them all the best as we go on recess, that they will be able to put their house in order and come and give up formidable opposition here and even outside, but not in the streets, here and outside in other engagements. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
John Badi.